Today I'm going to show you how to replace those front wipers for a Kia Niro. So I'm going to use those wipers which come with a set even for the rear one, which I ordered from AliExpress. I will put a link here or here so you can order as well. They're very good. Now we're going to disassemble the old wipers and install those new ones. So to disassemble the wiper, you first of all need to know that you don't need to use a lot of force, even if you handle with an old dry plastic, because you don't want to twist the wiper arm or break the plastic here. So all you need to do to disassemble is open this thing. Here you will have some kind of hook, so you need to push the wiper downwards. You can see, not using a lot of force, push it like this. That's it. Now, when your wiper arm is without the wiper, you need to make sure that it won't fall on the glass and break your windscreen, okay? And now to put the windscreen, all you need to do is put the hook through here. Make sure that the hook catches with the plastic like this. Pull it upwards. That's it, and close this clips, and that's it. Make sure it's not loose or something like this. Great. And now you need to remove this plastic cover and put it very gently. And that's it, guys. This is the old one, this is the new one. You can see it here. So good luck when you're doing yours. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more car related videos on Kia Niro, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.